Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable USB debugging on Android or install a screen sharing app on iPhone and install the matching desktop client on your laptop. Connect with a reliable USB cable for lowest latency or join the same Wi-Fi network for wireless casting. Once connected, open the desktop companion app and allow any prompt on your phone. This authorizes the mirror. Doing this now sets the session parameters, so the app can capture your screen and stream it to the laptop. Once the app recognizes your phone, you select the device and start mirroring. You do this now because it creates the video stream that appears on your laptop. Adjust resolution and frame rate to balance clarity and performance. Higher settings look better but demand more CPU. If you want to control the phone from the laptop, enable input permissions. Otherwise, keep view only for privacy. Make sure to enable audio sharing when you need sound. These configuration steps optimize latency and battery use while mirroring. To finish, stop mirroring in the desktop app or unplug the USB cable. This cleanly releases device resources and prevents accidental input. If mirroring fails, recheck permissions on the phone and reconnect. Authorization prompts are often overlooked, and restarting both apps solves transient conflicts. If you see lag or stutter, switch to a wired connection, lower resolution or frame rate, and update the desktop drivers and mobile app because compatibility and bandwidth are the usual culprits. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.